In this edition of the What's Inside series, we look at the workings of the Delco Remy twin-point distributor. This was introduced by the American Delco company in the mid-1920s and sourced by Georges Roche when he was developing the Talbot 1445 and used by him on all his Talbot models up until the end of production. That was by no means the end of the life of the distributor. It subsequently was in use by Rolls-Royce and Bentley on their six-cylinder models up until the late 1950s. A brief overview of the external features of the distributor. It is driven by the skew gear from the camshaft, upper shaft here. It's bolted to the cylinder block by this flange, and this bolt here allows the body of the distributor to be rotated in order to adjust the timing. On this side of the distributor we have the grease cup, turn that inwards to lubricate the shaft, and the all-important condenser, and it is important that all owners understand where the condenser is located and how to fit it, both carry and how to fit a spare. Over 90 years of hard use, there is a fair amount of mechanical wear can take place on the shaft and also on the automatic advance and retard bob weights and springs that sit inside the body of the distributor. If your distributor is suffering such, I strongly recommend you contact Martin J. at the Distributor Doctor. He has all the necessary parts and expertise to undertake a complete mechanical rebuild of these instruments. For example, this was a scrap distributor before Martin worked his magic on it.